we're going to build a hospital in a safe, secure location with a willing and cooperative government here. The Jordanian government is very willing to help facilitate us in building this pediatric hospital and getting it into Gaza to save children's lives. They get built here in Jordan, they get placed on the back of trucks, and in Gaza right now, they already have built the walls for the grounds of this hospital. They've built the sewerage system and the waterworks. All that happens is these caravans get boarded in, these medical caravans, and they get assembled like a jigsaw puzzle. And within 1 week, they will be fully functional, self-sufficient, and ready to operate in Gaza. We have a generator that can produce up to 8 cylinders of oxygen an hour. I've been traveling around the world to raise awareness for this hospital and to bring it in. I've already had a lot of success within our governments within Australia. There's a lot of support for this because the whole world is seeing what's going on to the children of Gaza, and that's why I feel something like this can be a uniting factor, not just in our country, but for our standing as Australians all around the world. Now, what makes this really unique from other different field hospitals is it's not a tent. It's actually made out of 10 centimetre thick walls. Tents are not hygienic. They don't protect you from the elements. You can't control humidity. There was many times where I was working in mass casualty events and I fainted just from the heat and the working conditions there. This provides an alternative. We can't build bricks and mortar right now in Gaza, but what we can do is we can build an infrastructure and bring it into Gaza that can provide world-class medical facilities and world-class care from world-class doctors, including Australian doctors.
This is one of the last videos Australian aid worker Zomi Francom posted from central Gaza. Zomi Francom is among at least 7 international aid workers from Australia, Poland, the UK, the US, Canada, and a Palestinian man killed in an apparent Israeli strike in Gaza.
When we open the paediatric hospital, the kitchen is going to be done at a much bigger scale. That's not only going to feed the hospital, but it's going to also be feeding tens of thousands of children in Gaza, in Zomi's honour and in her legacy. As she fed children all around the world and she died feeding children in Gaza, she will be honoured for eternity feeding those children